राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने। The episode of the first birth, first incarnations of Paramatma, Narayana, when the Jaya and Vijaya, the sentries, the guards at the door of Vaikuntha, when they had developed Ahankar. Now they were cursed by the Sanaka, Sanandana, Sanatana brothers that they would be reborn as Rakshasas, and now they are again born as Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha. So, and now the same two people are now born as Ravana and Kumbhakarna. So now the birth of Ravana is already declared. The birth of his brother Kumbhakarna is also now declared. Now Bhagavan Shiva has brought out the episode, the narrative of Sri Ram now. Muktan bhaye hate Bhagavana तीन जन्म द्विज बचन प्रवाना एक बार तिनके हित लागी धरेउ शरीर भगत अनुरागी. Although Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha were killed by Bhagavan Varaha and Narasimha. Bhagavan Varaha and Narasimha. Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha, they were killed by Bhagavan Narasimha and Bhagavan Varaha. But still their curse was not over. They had to be reborn as Rakshasas for another 2 births. Totally 3 births they were to be reborn as Rakshasas. And whenever they are born as Rakshasas, they will be delivered. In other words, they will be once again freed from that curse only by the avatar of Bhagavan. So in order to facilitate their coming back to him, so Bhagavan came as Sri Ram. Ek baar tinke hit lagi, dhareu sarir bhagata anuragi. In order to fulfill that is their desire to come back to Bhagavan and also the devotees. So Lord has taken an avatar. Kasyapa aditi taha pitu दशरथ कौसल्या विख्याता एक कल्पहि विधि अवतारा चरित पवित्र किए संसारा. Already he has spoken about Narasimha and Varaha avatar. Now he is speaking about Ram avatar only in 2 chaupais. Kasyapa Aditi, Kasyapa Rishi and his wife Aditi, they were reborn as Dasharatha and Kausalya. They only came as Dasharatha Maharaj and Kausalya. So in their womb, for one kalpa means that is 1 daytime of Brahma. 1 daytime of Brahma, which is 43,20,000 years. For so many years, Lord remained in this avatar. Charita Pavana Pavitra Kiye Sansara. He did a lot of wonderful sacred activities and then made the world very, very happy. Ek kalp sur dekhi dukhare Samar jalandhar san sabhare Sambhukin sangrama apara Danuj Mahabal Marai Namara. See, in one kalpa, some other kalpa. No, there is no, you find that there is just a free narration going on. It's a free narration. Lord has taken many avatars. I am just telling you whatever I am recollecting and telling you those. So in one kalpa, Sur dekhi dukhare, Sura, the devatas were very sad. Samar Jalandhar san sabhare. There was a Rakshasa by name Jalandhara. So with them they had a big war, but they all lost the war. Sambhukin Sangram Apara. Then Lord Shiva came and again fought with Jalandhar. Danuja Mahabala Maraina Mara. Despite Lord Shiva's wonderful strength and everything, still the Jalandhar Rakshas did not die. Paramasati Asuradhipanari Tehi balatahi najitahi purari. It's a very peculiar information Shiva is giving. This Asuradhipa, that is Jalandhar, his wife was a very great Pativrata who was very devoted to her husband. Because of her Pativrata, she had so much power in her. That is why this person could not be killed by Shiva. Because of the power of the wife, the husband could not be killed. The Rakshasa could not be killed by Shiva. Chalakaritar utasa brata Prabhu surkara jakina जब ते ही जाने वो मरम तब श्राप कोप कर दीना. Again a leela of Bhagavan. Chal karitar utasu vrata. That chal means by cheating, or in what you call it, by vakra, what niti, kutniti. By Kutniti, Bhagavan Narayan, he disturbed her vrata. She was a Prativrata, so he disturbed her vow. Thereby what happened? Again he could kill. Jalandhar Rakshas could be slain because of that. When she came to know, when Jabati Janev Maramutam, when she came to know about this deceit by Lord Narayana, she cursed Bhagavan Narayana. She cursed Bhagavan Narayana. Tasu Shrapa Hari Deen Pramana Kautuk Nidhi Kripalu Bhagavana Taha Jalandhar Ravana Bhayavu Ranahati Ram Parama Pada Dayavu. What would be the curse? She has cursed Srihari that you will have to be born like a human being. Number one, curse number. And my husband will again come in the next birth to kill you. That is why Ravana has come. Not only that, you disturbed my vow, so your wife's vow will be disturbed by Ravana. That is why Sita was abducted by Ravana. Something like this, the curse of this lady. Tasu Shrapa Hari Deen Pramana. So the Lord Narayana gave value to her curse. Kautuka Nidhi Kripalu Bhagavana. He is always a Leela Paramatma. He doesn't actually he cannot be cursed, but he accepted the curse. Taha Jalandhar Ravana Bhayav. Then the Rakshasa Jalandhar became Ravana. Rana Hati Rama Parama Padadayav. And in the Rana, in the war field, Sri Ram, he killed Ravana, and Ravana attained the highest state of again liberation. Ek janam kar karaneha jehi lagi Ram dhari naradeha prati avatar katha prabhu keri sun muni barani kabhi na ghareri. The cause for one of the births was what I just now narrated to you. Once he came as a human being, the cause was because of the Rakshas Jalandhar. And Prati Avatar Katha Prabhu Keri. And the number of avatars and number of causes for which Lord has taken avatars is many. One cannot describe them. But each and every Rishi and Muni describe it according to what they have understood. नारद श्राप दीन एक बारा कल्प एक ते ही लगी अवतारा गिरिजा चकित भई सुनि बानी विष्णु भगत पुनि ज्ञानी Narada Shrapa Deen Ekbara. Once at one kalpa, Narada gave a curse. He cursed Bhagavan Narayan once. Kalp ek tahi lagi avatara. In one full kalpa, Sri Ram Narayana came in a different avatar for that purpose. Girija Chakit Bhai Sunibani. Parvati was surprised. How can Narada curse Narayan? Narada is a very great bhakta of Narayan. And he is also a great jnani. How can he curse? कारण कवन श्राप मुनि कीन दीना का अपराध रमापति कीना यह प्रसंग मोहि कहु पुरारी मुनि मन मोह आचरज भारी कारण कवन श्राप मुनि दीना. What is the reason? कौन सा कारण है? What is the reason for which Narada Rishi had to curse Bhagavan Narayan? का अपराध रमापति कीन. What was the aparadha? What was the crime or wrong act committed by Ramapati, the husband of Lakshmi? यह प्रसंग मोहि कहु पुरारी. O Purari, O Bhagavan Shiva, please tell me what is the cause of this one. मुनि मन मोह आचरज बारी. मुनि नारद के मन में मोह होने पड़े. आश्चर्य की बात. That too, Muni Narad Rishi, he had to undergo such a wrong attitude, such a delusion, that he had to curse Narayan. Please tell me what was the cause of that. बोले बिहस महेश तब ज्ञानी मूढ़ न कोई जेहि जस रघुपति करहि जब सो तस तेहि छन होई. Very beautiful declaration by Bhagavan Shankar, which defeats all the sayings of rishis, whatever they have said. Bole bihasi, very smiling, with a smile, Shankar saying, Mahes taba jnani mudhana koi. There is nobody called as jnani, or there is nobody called as a foolish person in this world. There is nobody called as a jnani, or there is nobody called as a foolish person in this world. Jehi jas raghupati karahi jab. Just as Ram wants them to be at any time, they will be like that only. At any time, given time, if a person appears to be a jnani, he is a jnani. If he appears to be a foolish person, he is a foolish person, because Ram wants him to be so. Kaho Ram Gunagatha Bharadwaja Sadar Sunahu भव भंजन रघुनाथ भज तुलसी तजिमान मद. The conversation between Yajnavalkya and Bharadwaja is now being remembered by Tulsidas. He says, Yajnavalkya जी कहते हैं, हे भरद्वाज, ओ भरद्वाज ऋषि, कहूँ राम गुण गाथा. Now I will tell you the beautiful narration of Rama. Bharadwaja sadar sunahu. Listen to me with attention. Bhava bhanjana Raghunath, the one who removes the transmigration of a soul which is born and reborn in this world. Bhaju tulasi tajimana mada. Tulsidas says, this is the conversation between Yajnavalkya and Bharadwaj. So Bharadwaj Rishi, Yajnavalkya Rishi is saying, now I will tell you the story of Ram. And then Tulsidas is saying, Bhavabhanjana Raghunath Bhaju Tulasi Tajiman Mada. O Tulasi, when he is addressing Tulsidas, addressing himself, he says, O Manushya. Whenever a Kavi addresses himself in any poem, if Kabir talks of Kabir, if Rahim talks of Rahim, any Kavi talks of himself, Tulsi talks of himself, then he is addressing the human being. O human being, why don't you give up unnecessary activities and devote your mind to Sri Ram. Himagiri guha ek ati pavani Bah sameep surasari suhavani आश्रम परम पुनीत सुहावा, देखि देव ऋषि मन अति भावा। Narad Rishi is a Sarvaloka Sanchari. He is a Sarvaloka Sanchari, means he can travel anywhere to any world at any time. There is nobody can stop Narad Rishi because he is Manasa Putra of Paramatma, Narayan. So he is traveling there one day. One day he came to the Himalayas. There he found a very, very, very beautiful cave. A very, very beautiful cave which was so attractive that he was really attracted towards that one very much. Himagiri Guha Ek Ati Pavani Bah Sameep Sursari Suhavan. Just by the side of the cave, Ganga is flowing. Ashrama Parama Punita Suhava. It was looking like a beautiful ashram. Dekhi Devarishi Man Ati Bhava. Devarishi saw that one and he was very much taken by that one. Nirakhi Sahil Sari Bipina Vibhaga. Bhayavu Ramapati Pada Anuraga. Sumirat Harihi Shrap Gati Badhi. Sahaj Bimal Manalagi Samadhi. Now, Naradji has come here. He saw Mirakhi Sail Saris Vipina Vibhaga, beautiful foresty region, beautiful mountain region, and beautiful ashram. Everything seeing, he was very much attracted towards that. Bhayavu Ramapati Pada Anuraga, his devotion to Bhagavan Vishnu increased multifold. Sumirat Harihi Shrapagati Badhi, he started remembering Lord Narayan and also controlled by another curse upon Narayan. Another curse upon Narad Rishi, which Daksha Prajapati had given. So that also curse is coming into place now. One curse for Narayan to be born, that is later, but now there is a curse on Narad also. That is coming into play now. Sahaja Bimala Manalagi Samadhi, he went into a trance. He went into a Samadhi. Narad, just by seeing that place itself, he sat down and then he went into Samadhi Avastha. Muni Gati Dekhi Suresh Derana. Kama hi boli keen sanmana. The curse which Prajapati had given to Narad Rishi was, the previous one I am coming back, the curse given to Narad Rishi was that he cannot stay at one place at any time. He cannot stay at any one place at any time because he keeps on. Earlier he could stay. Earlier Narad Rishi could stay at one place for some time. But he had done some prank because of which Daksha Prajapati gave him one curse that you can never stay in future at one place for a long time. You have to keep on moving. But at this place what has happened? The curse of Daksha Prajapati has also been stilled. So he could stay at this place because of Narayan's will. He is staying there. Munigati dekhi Suresh Derana. काम ही बोली कीन सन्माना सहित सहाय जाहु मम हेतु चले हर्षि चल चर केतु मुनिगति देखी सुरेश डराना. Whenever anybody on earth, whether it is a lady or a gent or anybody young or old, if they enter into Samadhi, the first person to be afraid is Indra. Because there is a what you call as a grace of Paramatma that anybody who performs Kathor Tapasya on earth, he can easily attain the Indra Padavi. The throne of Indra can be taken over by the person who is doing this Tapasya. So Indra was immediately agitated. So what did he do? He made sure that this penance should be disturbed. He must go and disturb the penance of Narad Rishi. So he called Kamadeva, the one who had come to disturb the penance of Shiva. He called Kamadeva, Manmatha or Cupid. He called him and said, immediately go, and he immediately honored him and said, Sahita Sahaya Jahu Mama Hetu. You take along all your retinue and all your associates. Chalevu Hareshi Hiya Jalaka Jaraketu. You immediately go and then disturb the penance of Narad Rishi. Suna Asir Man Mahu Asitrasa. Chahat Dev Rishi Mama Purbasa. Je Kami Lolup Jagamahi. Kutila Kaka Iva Sabahi Derahi. Sunasira Man Mahu Asitrasa. Sunasira, that is Indra. He is now disturbed, completely disturbed, because he says, Chahata Deva Rishi Mama Purvasa. Devarshi Narada, it appears that he wants to come to my place and take over Amaravati. Jay Kami, then now Tulsidas or Bharadwaj Rishi is now summarizing, Yajnavalkya is summarizing and saying, those people who are weak in their minds, Jay Kami Lolupa Jagamahi, in this world whoever is weak in their mind, Kutila Kaka Eva Sabahi Darahi, they will be afraid of everybody. The ones who are weak in mind will be afraid of everybody because they do not have their own strength. If they see a person coming, he's come to talk to me only, he's come to disturb my mind only, he's come to take away my thing only. So this is the nature of people who are weak in their minds. Sukha hadile bhagasatha. Swana nirakhi mrigaraj. Cheenile jani jana jada. Timi surapati hinalaja. It's giving a comparison. Tulsidas is giving a comparison. A dog, a stray dog which has found a bone, and it's chewing that bone. While it's chewing that bone, suddenly there appears a lion at that spot. So the dog is afraid that the lion will take away the bone from him and he is running away from there. The dog is afraid that the lion will take away the bone, whereas the lion is not interested in the bone. The lion is the king of the forest. The lion has got its own way of, whenever we talk about the lion, शेर भूखा रहेगा, सिंह भी भूखा रहेगा, पर घास नहीं खाएगा. The lion will fast, but it will never eat grass because it is of that stature. It is a lion, it is of that stature, so it will never stoop down to anything. Whereas the weak person, he is always afraid of everybody. So the dog is thinking that the lion will come and snatch away the bone, whereas the lion is not interested in the bone at all. So the same state of affairs has come to the king of the Devatas, Indra Bhagavan, who is afraid of everything. We'll pause here today. Hari Om Tat Sat.